this.
Hey guys, so it's Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello and it's nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a basic, my go-to upper body dumbbell circuit. So I'm a dancer. I used to be completely scared of weights. Like, I used to be so scared that if I did upper body weights as a girl, as a dancer, that I was going to develop this very big, bulky upper body. But now I have learned and seen through experience and through my own body that that is not at all true. If you do the proper weights, such as the circuit about 2 times a week, incorporate it into your upper body workouts, I promise guys, you're not going to get a huge upper body. It's not going to happen. So yeah, I recommend incorporating this into your workouts about 2 times a week. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. It's so easy, and it's just really key to toning, strengthening, and just developing that lean cut upper body. So yeah guys, do not worry about bulking. I promise you will be good. I'm known as a twig still, and I do this 2 times a week, so yeah, you're good. Now this is going to be built off of a descending pyramid workout. So we're going to start with low reps, high weight, and then we're going to increase the reps and lower the weight. It's 1 circuit, 3 exercises, and we're gonna repeat it all 3 times.
Make sure to keep your knees slightly bent and your weight in your heels for all these exercises. The first exercise is bicep curls. So the goal here is to keep your elbows fully glued to your sides of your stomach and lift your hands all the way up. If you're rocking backwards or such, that means you have too much weight. Form is most important, so make sure you lower the weight. You want to keep your belly button sucking in towards your spine so that you protect your spine. So again, knees slightly bent, weight in heels, core engaged, and keep those elbows fully glued to your sides. This is a bicep exercise. This is not any other exercise, so make sure you really focus on isolating the biceps. For the next exercise, it's tricep kickbacks. Triceps are so important, especially for us ladies, because that is the muscle that gets kind of saggy. You know, you see your grandma waving and it's like shaking. Yeah, that's what we're trying to avoid here. So you're going to bend over, keep your weight in your heels, back straight. Again, belly button sucking towards your spine, and keep your elbows glued to your sides. My shoulders are very flexible, so my hands do go higher. However, the goal is to keep your elbows glued to your sides and straighten your arms and isolate that tricep. The last exercise is bent over reverse flies. So we're going to stay in the same position, and we're simply just going to pinch our shoulder blades back together and lift our arms up. So you want to really focus on the back and isolating those shoulder blades. I personally stick with 5 pounds, and I do 15 reps 3 times for this exercise. I do not mix up the weights or the reps, and that's just because I find the 5 pounds to kind of be all that I can do for this particular exercise, because I'm still increasing the strength of my back. Otherwise, I feel like my form is bothered, so I do just use 5 pounds. I do 15 reps, and I might work my way up to some more weight, or maybe I'll choose to always stick with 5 pounds. Who knows, but I do feel this exercise in my back with just 5 pounds.
Okay guys, and that is the circuit. I hope that you try this. I hope that you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment any questions down below, do all that fun stuff. Oh, also follow me on Instagram for daily workouts, to see what workouts I do, blah, 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 all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.